Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding TikTok links to Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start on the TikTok app. If you would like to add a link to a TikTok video, then on the TikTok video that you would like to add a link to, tap on the share arrow from the bottom right of the sidebar menu. If you would like to share the link with a friend via chat, then tap on the Snapchat icon. Choose the friend or friends that you would like to share it with, and then tap Send. If you would like to share the link in a snap, then tap Copy Link from the sharing options. You may have to scroll to the right to find the option. To share a link to a TikTok profile, go to the profile and tap the three dots button in the top right corner of the profile. Like before, tap Copy Link to add the link to a snap, or tap the Snapchat icon to share the account in a message. To share a link to your own TikTok profile, tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines button in the top right and choose Settings and Privacy from the options that appear. Choose Share Profile from the menu options. Here you can tap Copy Link or Snapchat, the same as before. To share the TikTok link you have copied, open up Snapchat and take the photo that you would like to add the link to. Tap the paperclip icon from the right menu bar. Here you can tap Allow and then click on the link, or you can paste the link into the text box at the top and then tap Search. Tap Attach to Snap at the bottom. You now have a clickable link sticker, which you can move around the screen where you would like, and pinch in and out to zoom. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.